From writing flawless code to outsmarting ever-evolving cyber threats, Agentic AI is breaking barriers that traditional AI could never even reach. Did you know companies leveraging AI see productivity gains of up to 40%? That's impressive. But Agentic AI takes things even further. It's not just reactive, it's proactive. It adapts, learns, and transforms operations in real time. And here's why that matters. 61% of organizations are struggling to manage rising cyber risks, while industries are demanding faster, smarter solutions to keep up. Before we dive into transformative power of Agentic AI, let me introduce myself. I'm Arvind Sareen, the CEO and Chairman of Copper Digital, with years of experience at interaction of technology and innovation. I've seen firsthand how AI has moved from being just a tool to becoming the driving force behind smarter, more adaptive solutions. Today, Agentic AI isn't just about keeping pace. It's about staying ahead and building tools that thrive in an ever-changing world. And where does this transformation start? Let's begin with software development, the foundation of modern technology. Software development. In traditional AI, tools like automated testing frameworks or basic code generation scripts provided assistance, but they still relied heavily on human oversight. Agentic AI, on the other hand, goes beyond that. It doesn't just support developers, it works alongside them. For example, modern agentic systems can analyze entire code bases, identify vulnerabilities, and suggest optimized solutions in real time. They even learn from past projects, and debugging, it's no longer about chasing endless error logs. Agentic AI pinpoints the root cause of issues, suggests fixes, and even tests solutions autonomously. This level of collaboration dramatically reduces development cycles and allows fellow developers to focus on creativity and innovation rather than repetitive tasks. Think of it as having a junior developer who's always learning and never misses a detail. Agentic AI's ability to work alongside us rather than simply for us is a game changer in software development. But its impact doesn't stop there. Beyond the technical workspace, this same intelligent collaboration is transforming how businesses engage with their customers. Now let's explore how Agentic AI is redefining customer support, delivering smarter, more personal interactions that scale effortlessly. Customer support automation. Agentic AI isn't just revolutionizing how we write code, it's changing the way businesses interact with their customers. Let's look at how it's redefining customer support with smarter, more empathetic automation. We've all dealt with traditional AI chatbots. They're great for basic questions, but the moment conversation takes a turn, say a unique request or an unexpected issue, they often hit a wall. That's where Agentic AI steps in and changes the game. Unlike traditional systems that rely on static scripts, Agentic AI adapts dynamically. It listens to the tone, understands the context, and even picks up on subtle cues to figure out what the customer really needs. Let's put this into perspective. Imagine a customer asking, "Do you have this product in stock?" Instead of offering one-size-fits-all response like, "Check our website," Agentic AI goes several steps further. It checks real-time inventory, factors in the customer location, and might even suggest the nearest store or delivery timeline. And here's the kicker. It remembers. The same customer contacted support a week ago about an issue. The AI recalls the interaction and adjusts its response. This makes every conversation feel personal, as though the system knows exactly who the customer is and what they want. For businesses, the benefits are massive. Agentic AI can work around the clock, delivering human-like services at scale. Customers feel valued, and response times shrink. Meanwhile, our human agents can focus on tougher, more strategic issues, the kind of challenges that require creativity and empathy. So, it's not just automation, it's smarter, more empathetic automation that learns and improves over time. That's the real value of Agentic AI in customer support. Enterprise workflows. Next up is enterprise workflows. Let's break this down. Traditional AI does a decent job of automating repetitive tasks. For example, it might send reminders for overdue invoices or update payment records. That's helpful, but also pretty limited because each task operates in isolation. Agentic AI, on the other hand, takes a much more holistic approach. It doesn't just execute individual tasks, it handles entire workflows seamlessly from start to finish. Take something like invoice approval process. Instead of just routing an invoice to the right person, Agentic AI digs deeper. It reviews the invoice details, cross-checks them against the contracts or purchase orders, and highlights any discrepancies. It might flag a mismatched price or missing item, and even recommend the best way to resolve the issue. And if there's no need for human oversight, it takes care of the entire process autonomously. Here's where it gets even more exciting: adaptability. Agentic AI learns from decisions your team makes in tricky situations. Maybe an approver regularly prioritizes invoices from certain vendors to maintain key relationships. Over time, the system adapts, recognizing those patterns and proactively applying similar logic, which means fewer delays and less manual intervention. The result? Workflows are not only faster, but also smarter, continuously improving to keep pace with the growing complexity of your business. That's the power of Agentic AI. It doesn't just work harder, it works smarter every step of the way. Number 4, cybersecurity and threat detection. Now, let's talk about cybersecurity, one of the biggest challenges for businesses today. The risks are real. They're evolving faster than ever. Traditional AI has been helpful, but it's mostly reactive. It waits for something suspicious to happen, like malware being detected, and then sends out an alert. While that's useful, it's often too late to stop the damage. Here's where Agentic AI comes in. This isn't just about reacting, it's about taking proactive measures. Imagine it like this. Instead of just watching for a break-in, Agentic AI is the security guard who spots suspicious behavior before the intruder even gets near the door. For example, say there's a sudden spike in access requests from an unfamiliar location. Traditional AI might log it and alert your team, but Agentic AI, it doesn't wait. It immediately takes action, quarantining the activity, alerting your team, and even running a preliminary investigation to determine if it's a legitimate request or a potential threat. Here's another powerful advantage. Agentic AI doesn't just allow predefined rules, it adapts. As new types of cyber attacks emerge, the system evolves. It studies patterns, analyzes past threats, and adjusts its defenses. This means it's always improving, always staying one step ahead of the attackers. And in today's threat landscape, that level of vigilance isn't optional. It's essential. Number 5, business intelligence. Finally, let's talk about business intelligence, a cornerstone of modern decision-making. You see, traditional AI has always been pretty good at crunching numbers. It could handle large data sets, run calculations, and spit out results. But there was a catch. Humans still had to step in to interpret those results and figure out what to do next. That's where Agentic AI makes a big difference. Agentic AI doesn't just process data, make sense of it in context. It connects the dots between numbers and bigger picture, which means it can move from raw analytics to actionable insights. Let me give you an example. Imagine that you're tracking customer churn, that rate at which customers stop using your service. Traditional AI might give you a report that says, hey, churn is up 15% this month. Okay, that's helpful. But now you're left asking why. Agentic AI answers that question. It might analyze customer feedback, recent product updates, and even external factors like market trends. Then it comes back with a specific insight. This spike in cancellations is linked to a pricing change you made 2 months ago. And it doesn't stop there. It suggests actionable steps like rolling out a targeted retention campaign or adjusting the pricing structure. Here's the best part. It's not just reacting to past data. Agentic AI forecasts future trends. It might predict that churn will continue rising unless a particular action is taken, giving you the foresight to be proactive. Agentic AI isn't just another upgrade. It's a revolution in how businesses operate. Unlike traditional AI, It doesn't just sit back waiting for instructions. It takes initiative, transforming how we build software, secure networks, streamline workflows, and make decisions. This isn't a glimpse into the future. It's the new normal. If you're not leveraging Agentic AI yet, here's the hard truth. You're not just missing out, you're falling behind. So, what's your next move? Let us know in the comments how you see Agentic AI shaping your industry. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Let's shape the future together.